Okay, so if I printed a picture for you, you can use this as your swatch paper if you want to, or you can use a piece of paper from your sketchbook to do this. God, that bell gets me every time. It's in the last video too. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, just like I've told students in class, it's easier to make a lighter color darker than to make a darker color lighter. So the first color I'm going to start with, which is this one up here, because it gets progressively darker there. Now I know a lot of you are going to have questions of which blue do you use, especially if you have blue in yours, or which purple to make it warmer blue. That's just going to be your call. You're going to look at it and see if it looks more warm or if it looks more cool. This actually looks kind of like a combination of both, so I'm actually going to mix both of them. So I'm going to mix a little bit of my cool, a little bit of my warm, and then I'm going to mix it together on my palette. Get a little bit more. Now this isn't the same blue that's on this paper, so what would you do to make that darker is you're going to add a little bit of red because it's going to darken that blue up. I am not going to use warm red because that is a lighter red and it's going to make it more burgundy, and I want it more darker than that. I want it more brown and more black, so I'm going to add the cool red in there and make it deeper. Now the mountains are not purple either, so I'm going to add a little bit of the yellow to it because I want to cut it and make it a little bit of brown. I don't want to cut some of that purple. So we're using opposites on the color wheel. I'll add a little bit of the warm yellow and the cool yellow, and now I'm going back and adding some of the cool blue because it's a little too purple. And it needs to be more blue.